Hi, this is Shinto. Welcome back to Fun Cycling. You bought a new bicycle and a couple of days you find that the bicycle which you have bought is not the right fit for your body, which means you started feel uncomfortable or pain in several parts of your body. You go back to the retail shop and ask this guy to adjust the bicycle according to your body fit. He replies, "Sir, the saddle, which means the seat, can be increased or decreased, but the handlebar cannot be done." Yes, he is right. The bicycle which is equipped with aluminum stem cannot be adjusted. It means you cannot increase or decrease the height of the handlebar. You should keep two things in your mind while buying a bicycle. Number one is the seat tube, which represents the frame height of the bicycle, which also should match your body height. Number two is the top tube, which is the distance between the saddle to the handlebar. So in this video, I'm not gonna talk about how to choose your bicycle, but I'm here to explain about this little tool which can solve this problem. Yes, this is stem extension which helps to solve this problem, which means it will help to increase your handlebar height according to your body fit. Now let's see how this tool works.
The original height of the stem is around 4 cm. The fitting of the stem is quite simple. Doesn't need much mechanical knowledge. Also, they provide the Allen key in the package. Initially it was 4 cm. Now we can see that it has been extended to 12 cm, which is the maximum height of the stem extender. You can see now the height of the handlebar is much suits for me. Initially it was here, now I don't have to bend my back. I'm sitting at a comfortable position.
Coming to pricing, this tool is little expensive due to it is made of aluminium. You can find this product in the online for the price range of 400 to 800, and it also depends upon the brand. We also have this product in our retail shop much lesser than the online price. So that's all in this video. See you guys in another video. Till then, signing off, Shinto.